Hey there, stop whatever you're doing and listen carefully. Be honest, how many tabs are open right now? Canva here, ChatGPT there, a voice app, an image app, a video tool, a writer, a researcher, a code helper, plus the credit top-ups you keep buying just to finish a project. $29 here, $49 there, $97 somewhere else. That's the hidden tool stacks tax. You're paying more, juggling more, and somehow getting less. And the context switching? Brutal. Copy, paste, reformat, export, re-upload across apps that barely integrate. Dead time, broken flow, missed deadlines. Meanwhile, AI is moving at warp speed. New versions drop every quarter. Faster, smarter, cheaper alternatives appear overnight. Your competitors are quietly running multi-model, multi-version setups, spinning content, visuals, voice, and automations while you hit rate limits, token caps, and upgrade to use this version paywalls. So real talk. Why force a 2025 business through a 2010 tool stack? Why get stuck paying for one model, one version, one bill when there's a better way? That's why we built something radically different. Something built for creators, freelancers, agencies, marketers, and everyday entrepreneurs like you. Introducing Multiverse AI. Breakthrough, never-seen-before AI app lets you access all the world's leading and most advanced premium AIs with multi-versions access, current and upcoming, from a single dashboard. And replaces all expensive AI model versions with just one super dashboard. With just 3 clicks, you'll unlock all top AI models with all versions, plus all upcoming future versions without spending a penny. Access to all top AI models and versions, multiverse powered, ChatGPT family, GPT-5, GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, GPT 4.1, and more. Google Gemini Suite, Gemini 1.5 Pro, Gemini 1.5 Flash, Gemini 2.0 Flash. Grok AI models, Grok 1, Grok 1.5, Grok 2, Grok 3, Grok 4. Claude models, Claude 3 Opus, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Claude 3.7 Haiku. DeepSeek AI, DeepSeek V3, DeepSeek R1, DeepSeek Coder V2. DALL-E Image AI, DALL-E 2, DALL-E 3. Kling Video, Kling 1.5 Pro, Kling 1.6 Pro, Kling 2.1 Standard, Kling 2.1 Master. Google Veo, Video AI, Veo 2, Veo 3, and much more to come. All future models included for free. And the best part? It's super simple. Even if you're brand new to AI, you can start creating like a pro in minutes. No editing, no recording, no design skills. Just click, prompt, publish. Multiverse AI is built for smart entrepreneurs, content creators, digital marketers, agencies and freelancers, innovators building SaaS, courses, and client services. Whether you want to build your own brand or sell done-for-you content, 4K AI images, sites, or code, Multiverse AI gives you everything you need to launch, grow, and scale without limits. And right now, during this special launch event, you can get lifetime access to Multiverse AI for a tiny one-time payment. No subscriptions, no upsells, no locked features, just unlimited AI power for life. That means no more paying $100 plus every month for multiple tools, no more bouncing between platforms or apps. Just one powerful dashboard that does it all. Faster, better, smarter. But don't wait, this is a limited time offer, and once the launch ends, Multiverse AI will switch to a monthly pricing model or vanish entirely. So ask yourself, do you want to keep paying more for less, or are you ready to upgrade to something built for your future? It's time to break free from outdated, overpriced, underperforming tools. It's time to unleash your AI advantage. It's time for Multiverse AI. Click the button below to grab your lifetime license now. And remember, you're covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. Zero risk, infinite potential. Multiverse AI, built to create, powered by AI, designed for you. But please, don't close this page and think about it. Once we hit capacity, the doors close, and the price will never be this low again. If you're ready to work smarter, move faster, and build your digital empire without limits, click below and get started now.